Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use student discount on Etihad Airways. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Etihad Airways account, which of course I've done right here. How can you create your account on Etihad Airways? Launch in the browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type etihad.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Etihad. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a little features to have an exciting time on Etihad. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to use student discount on Etihad. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step processes. So number one, to qualify for the international student offer, you have to be an international student aged 18 to 32. You have to study abroad in any of Etihad's qualifying countries. You have to be an Etihad guest member. And you have to have your international student ID verified before booking. And you need to book flights to your country of study or back home before June 2024. So for step one, if you're not already a member of Etihad guest, you have to join. It's very easy. So from here, go ahead and click on Etihad guest, and that's from your Etihad homepage. Head over to guest and follow through the process to create your account. And the next, you need to verify your international student ID, and you're going to email you once you've reviewed your documents. And the next thing is bookmark this page, then come back when your international student ID has been verified. And to book your flights, log in with your Etihad guest account, details below. So let's go ahead and check how we can verify. So click on verify now. Now remember, this window is etihad.com/en/book/student offer. So you know where we are. So go ahead and click on verify now. So here we are. You're going to fill out these details. So complete this form. Okay, so just go through that and click on verify now to verify. So after verifying international student ID, then go ahead and proceed to book your flight right there in Etihad guest, on your Etihad guest account. So that's pretty much the process. So ensure that you are already an Etihad guest member, and then click now, verify now to verify, and go ahead to book your flight. So don't forget to check these options that qualify you for this discount. So that's pretty much the process. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.